Are you torn between VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU for your virtualization needs? Let's delve into the ultimate showdown of features, performance, and usability to help you choose the best fit for your projects. What specific aspects are you most interested in comparing? So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how you can choose the best virtual machines. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into vmware.com, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU. So this is the homepage of each one. So choosing the right virtualization platform can be challenging, especially with options like VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU on the table. Each offers unique features and capabilities catering to different needs, whether you are an enterprise user, a developer, or a hobbyist. In this comparison, we will break down their strengths and weaknesses to help you find the perfect fit for your virtualization projects. Let's dive in. So the first one we have here VMware.com. So VMware is a leading virtualization platform that enables users to create and manage multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. So here we have on the homepage the smarter way to cloud. Our private cloud solution delivers the security and agility enterprises need, supported by technologies for application, edge infrastructure, and private EA. Then we have a chart view VMware Explore Journey. Sessions scheduling is now available in the Explore Barcelona content catalog. Register today to begin building your agenda. Then if you scroll down, you'll find here Introducing VMware Cloud Foundation 9. Both can unveils the future of VMware Cloud Foundation, the business value of VMware Cloud Foundation. And also we'll find here cloud solutions for your business like app platform, cloud infrastructure, networking, security, software-defined edge. And here we have also trending topics, but before I will give you the benefits of that. Its benefits include enhanced resource utilization, improved scalability, and reduced security features, making it ideal for enterprise environments. VMware tools such as vSphere facilitate effective management of virtual resources, ensuring high availability and disaster recovery. Additionally, its seamless integration with cloud services allows organizations to adopt hybrid cloud strategies, optimizing ETA infrastructure while supporting innovation and agility. So this is it how it works, and here we'll find trending topics like EPM and VMware help enterprises adopt to native EA. Then we have here announcing general availability of VMware private EA foundation with NVIDIA, and also we have Cloud Foundation total cost of ownership white paper. Then we have sovereign clouds, new developer data and security services. Also we will find here VMware Cloud Foundation total cost of ownership, white paper, sovereign clouds, new developer data, and security services. So this is it for VMware.com, and let's move on to the next one, which is called VirtualBox. So VirtualBox is an open source virtualization software developed by Oracle that allows users to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. Its key benefits include being a cost-effective as it's free to use, and offering both compatibility with various host systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. VirtualBox features an intuitive interface, Snapchat capabilities for easy state restoration and seamless integration with the host system, which enhances productivity with support for a wide range of guest operating systems and an active community for resources. VirtualBox is a versatile choice for developers and tech enthusiasts alike. So in the homepage we will find here powerful open source virtualization for personal and enterprise use. VirtualBox is a general purpose for virtualization software for hardware, and we have its version 7. Additionally, for macOS ARM targeted at a laptop, desktop, server, and embedded use. You can just click over download to get started, and you download VirtualBox binaries and platform packages. We have firstly here community. Become a part of the VirtualBox community, discuss and solve problems in the forums, access test builds, and more. And we have documentation, Learn from a variety of resources, including user manuals and user and technical documentation, the source code, repository, timeline, order, changelog. Then we have training. Access labs, tutorials, and videos to learn how to use VirtualBox. Quizzes are available to test your learnings. And if you scroll down, you'll find here join the VirtualBox community. Millions of users actively use VirtualBox. So that's it for VirtualBox, and let's move into Hyper-V. So Hyper-V is a virtualization platform developed by Microsoft that allows users to create and manage virtual machines on Windows Server and Windows 10. Then we have here and the homepage introduction to Hyper-V on Windows. Also, if we scroll down, we'll find here reasons to use virtualization, system requirements, operating systems you can run in a virtual machine, differences between Hyper-V on Windows and Hyper-V on Windows Server, also limitations, next step, feedback also. So Hyper-V is a virtualization platform developed by Microsoft that allows users to create and manage virtual machines on Windows Server and Windows 10. Its benefits include tight integration with the Windows ecosystem, enabling seamless management through familiar tools like PowerShell and System Center. Hyper-V offers features such as live migration, which allows virtual machines to move between hosts without downtime, and robust security options like shielded virtual machines. Additionally, it supports nested virtualization and containerization, making it ideal for both enterprise environments and development scenarios while providing scalability and high availability for demanding workloads. So then we have QEMU. QEMU is an open-source machine emulator and virtualizer that enables users to run multiple operating systems on various hardware architectures. Its key benefits include flexibility and supports a wide range of kits, types, and architectures from to ARM. QEMU can operate in two modes. The first mode, which called as a full system emulator for running modified case operating systems, and the second one as a lightweight virtualizer when paired with QVM. So what is QVM? Kernel-based virtual machine. For improved performance, it's highly configurable and can be integrated into cloud and container environments, making it a powerful choice for developers and researchers seeking an adaptable virtualization solution. So this is it for QEMU. We have also here a generic and open source machine emulator and virtualization. We have full system emulation, one operating systems for any machine on any supported architecture. Then we have user mode emulation, one programs for another Linux target or any supported architecture. Then we have virtualization, run KVM and virtual machines with near native performance. So VMware is the best virtualization platform for enterprise environments due to its obvious features, including high availability, disaster recovery, and seamless cloud integration. Its vSphere management capabilities optimize resource allocation and performance in heavy workloads, while strong security measures protect sensitive data. Additionally, VMware supports hybrid cloud strategies, making it ideal for organizations seeking flexibility and innovation. Overall, its performance and comprehensive support make VMware a top choice for serious virtualization needs. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.